Hey everybody, it's me again, Dr. C. I'm saying I'm just going to continue to be intentional with doing the live video or the video content just in general, but I did want to take the time to promote a women's empowerment event that we are doing in March. I just want to make sure things are solidified before I give an actual date, but it will be in March for sure, and it is based on this book here. This is a very good book, The Women Code by Sophia Nelson. I've actually been having women in my practice read the book because I find I've been getting a lot of ladies who are more trying to kind of find themselves, redefine themselves, figure out what makes them happy independent of anyone else. So I feel like this is a great opportunity for women to come together. It's going to be like a workshop, more like a group therapy thing. So yes, it will get deep, like I tell people, it's not my intention to get people to go all the way there. However, in this group, it is going to be my intention. And so I'm only limited to about 10 to 15 women. It's going to be more of a brunch setup, starting off, like having nice little breakfast food, some mimosas, just to kind of relax a little bit and get to know each other before we start diving into the group process. So I just want to put that out there. It is going to be a very helpful event. I know my super sisters had introduced this workshop series a couple years ago, and my particular chapter was on teaching people how to treat you, which was a very powerful segment, in that, for some people it was really a breakthrough moment for them, and them understanding their past and how it influences how they do relationships of any kind. So I feel like it can be very beneficial for women, because I feel like a lot of times, when I ask the question of who are you, how do you define yourself, outside of being a wife or a mom or a daughter or a sister, but like, who are you? And I feel like those things are very important to know and to understand, and also what makes you happy within yourself. Because as I always say, and I know several people have heard me say this, it is our responsibility to make ourselves happy. There's nothing no one else can do. Yes, they may be able to add or take away from it, but ultimately we make ourselves happy, because people can do, I always say, people do backflips all over the place, but if you're not happy with self, then chances are you won't be happy with anyone else or anything else. So it's really important to find that, and I feel like this workshop / group therapy thing will be very helpful, not just for the group, but also for me, because I get a lot out of it, and it's a very healing experience. So please be on the lookout. I will be having digital flyers out there and specifying a date once everything is solidified. So like I said, it's going to be very limited, 10 to 15 women. I still have to come up with an approximate number, but I did just want to put that out there. So I hope everyone is having an amazing and fabulous Saturday, and enjoy the rest of your weekend, and you will be hearing more from me very soon.